welcome to Clevision's tutorial. If it's the first time you're coming across our videos, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notifications of our subsequent videos. Now, in today's tutorial, we have these questions here: x raised to the power 2x minus 26 into 5 raised to the power x plus 25 equals to 0. Now, this is an exponential equation. So let's go straight to solve. Solution. So write down the equation given that 5 to the power of 2x minus 26 into 5 to the power of x plus 25 equal to 0. Now, the first thing we're going to do here, is to factor this out. Okay, so this will give us 5x squared minus 26 into 5 to the power of x plus 25 equal to 0. Now, what we just did here is to bring out the 2. Alright, to bring out this 2. So we just factor it. If you multiply this back, you're going to get back this. Alright, so now let's go ahead. Let's say 5 to the power of x equal to p. Now, I like using p, but you can make use of any letter. You can make use of a, you can make use of s, you can make use of t, whatever letter, but I like using p. Alright, so if 5 to the power of x is equal to p, that means anywhere there is 5 to the power of x, we are going to put p. Alright, so on that note here we have p squared minus 26p plus 25 equal to 0. Alright, now at this point, this is a quadratic equation. So at this point now you can make use either by factorization, by completing the square method, or using formula method. But let's use the factorization method. Alright, so now using factorization method, we're going to look for that two numbers. Now when you multiply, it will give you plus 25. And when you add or subtract, it will give you minus 26. Now let's take it down. Minus 25 times minus 1. Yeah, if you multiply these two together, it will give you plus 25. Okay, now minus 25 minus 1. If you do this together, it will give you minus 26. So on that note, this will go. So let's take it down. So this will be p squared minus 25p minus p plus 25 equal to 0. Alright, now it's supposed to be 1, but since we cannot write 1, okay, so that's why I just put p. You cannot write 1p. So that's why I put p. So that means there's an invisible 1 here. Alright, so let's put this. You have p squared minus 25p, okay, minus p plus 25 equal to 0. So at this point, let's factor this out. What is common here is p. Alright, we bring out one of the p. P going to be to 1p, so you have p go to here is minus 25, because the p will cancel out this p. Okay, if you multiply this back, you're going to get this. So we just factor out this now. Minus what is common here is 1. Okay, so the next thing will be p. If you take out 1 from here, what will remain is p. Okay, p going to 1 minus 1 going to p to u p. Then 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 going to 25 will give you minus 25p. Okay, now if you multiply this out, you get back this. So what we just do now is to factor this out. Okay, so at this point now I'm going to take one of the answer in this bracket, outside the bracket, and one in the bracket, since the two is common. Remember, what you have in this bracket here must be the same with what you have here. Peradventure is not the same, you have to cross-check your solving. Maybe there's a mistake or error somewhere. So now let's take out this list. So now we have p minus 1. okay, and p minus 25 all equal to 0. And now we have p minus 1 equal to 0 or p minus 25 equal to 0. So for us to get the value of p, this minus 1 have to cross the equality sign. So if we cross the equality sign, we have p equal to 1 or p equals to, when this cross the equality sign minus 25 cross the equality sign change to plus. So if we have p equals to 25. Okay, so p is equal to 1 or p equals to 25. I remember here we say let 5 to the power of x equal to p. Alright, so we'll break it down. 5, oh, this is not working. 5 to the power of x equal to p. Alright, so on that note, wherever there is p, for at this point, p for this first answer is 1. Okay, so what you're going to do is to, put a number that if when you raise it to power, it will give you that same number. Okay, and the base have to be the same. Okay, so let's go. This will give you 5x, 5 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 0. Now, if you do 5 to the power of 0, it will give you 1. Alright, to give you 1. So, on this note, from our indices, okay, the base are the same, and if the base of anything is the same and is raised to a power and is bounded by an equality sign, the base will go. Okay, so on that note, we will have x is equal to 0. So these two bases will go. Alright, so now that is for this first one. Now the second one, we have 5 to the power of x is equal to, the second is 25. So what is that? If we raise to the power of 25, is 5 squared. Alright, 5 times 5 will give you 25. So on that note, the base is still the same, so it will go. So we have x is equal to 2. So therefore, our x is equal to 0 or our x is equal to 2. So this becomes our answer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get the notifications of our subsequent videos. Thank you very much.